Well, I don't know if we're in Kansas, in Florida, in hurricane season, or what is going on here, but we're in Burlingame, in Bay Area, in San Francisco. It's supposed to be sunny, or at least overcast and cloudy, but it is coming down like a mad man. The streets are starting to flood. Oh my goodness.
Ice!
And ice.
Ice! Whoa!
It's like snow.
Whoa!
Wow. This is really wacky weather that's going on right now. Don't understand any of it. The white stuff you see on the ground was not there 30 seconds ago. Whew. I know, look at that. I know, it's like slush. What is going on here? Wow.